what's up? I'm Dominique. Welcome to today's video. Today, instead of doing my makeup, I'm actually going to be taking off my makeup. I'm going to be showing you the entire process from taking off my makeup to showing you my entire skincare routine. I mean, these products in this video are some of the top tier products that I will always forever use and recommend. So let's just chit chat and have some fun while we get unready together instead of getting ready together. And this video is about to get very messy. So if you want to know how I take off my makeup and what my skincare routine is, then let's get started. So before I take off my makeup, let's do a little appreciation moment for this glam. I mean, I did it just to take it off. For this, I'm going to have to roll up my sleeves because I'm about to get a little bit messy. This is so weird taking off my makeup when usually I'm applying my makeup on camera. So this is a little weird, but I love it. So the first thing that I always do is I always take off my lashes first. I mean, this is like, I need to take off my lashes first every time. It's my go-to thing that I always remove first. I know some people remove their lips first, but for me, I'm a false lash girly. I gotta take those off immediately. Now that I look insane, I gotta take off my ring because I'm really about to get messy here, so I don't want it to get ruined. So now it's time to finally start removing my makeup. And this product right here is my tried and true. It is an essential product in my taking off my makeup routine. I don't know where I would be without a cleansing balm. I'm telling you, this is amazing. This is the Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, and it just smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. And the product itself is like a solid oily balm. It's really strange and unique, but it's just so amazing. Oh my god. I'm telling you, you are going to be shook the first time you try it. It comes with a little spatula, so all you have to do is just scrape a little bit out of the jar, and I apply it with the spatula to my face, and I just get it on both sides of my face, on my forehead, on my chin, and my nose. Now before I start rubbing this into my face, this Neutrogena Ultra Light Cleansing Oil is another great product that basically does the exact same thing, but this is actually in a pump, and it's more like a straight up oil. This product right here I keep in my shower so I don't have to worry about unscrewing a jar while I'm in the shower because that's so annoying. And I keep this cleansing balm right by my sink for more on the go face wash type things. The Neutrogena cleansing oil gets off all my makeup. I can feel it start to break down my mascara, and it does a really good job removing everything. But I will say, if you get this in your eyes, it might sting a little bit, so that was my only downfall with this. But I will say, the more I used this, my eyes actually got used to it, so now they don't sting as bad as the first time I used it. Well, maybe I'm actually just shutting my eyes more, who knows, but it's affordable. You can get it at Target, Walmart, Walgreens, and it does a really good job. So this is a really good product to have on hand if you're lazy and like to remove your makeup quickly like me. But this baby right here, the Farmacy Green Clean, ooh, watch, I'm gonna remove all my makeup just with this cleansing balm, and it's gonna be insane. And one of my favorite things about this product is that when I'm taking off my mascara with this, I can literally feel the mascara flaking off into my fingertips. And then that way I know when to stop because I can feel when all the mascara comes off. And plus, it is so slippery and oily, and I just love this stuff, honestly, even though it makes me look crazy. Hello, this look right here is exactly how I feel this week. Like, I've had probably 3 mental breakdowns within the past 24 hours, and I am just ready for the week to be done with, okay? I have so much to do. I'm definitely gonna go and try to relax after this, and this is a perfect way to start my relaxation, is taking off my makeup. So now I feel like all my mascara has come off, and I feel like my makeup is at a good spot for me to rinse my face. So I'm going to go rinse my face in the shower, and I'll be right back to finish up my skincare routine. And now here's what my skin looks like after rinsing it off with the Green Clean. And after I do that, I like to take some makeup remover and a cotton ball. This is just a Neutrogena oil-free makeup remover, and I'll just run the cotton ball over my eyes one time just to remove any pesky mascara or eyeliner that could possibly run over the night, and I hate when that happens, so I always like to do this just to avoid all that. Okay, so now that all my makeup is off, it's time to wash my face. So to wash my face, I use 2 products, and I have to owe my skin looking nice to these 2 products. I'm not kidding. These 2, I feel like, make a really big difference on my skin. This is the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant, and this stuff is, ooh, my god, I love this stuff so much. I love this stuff so much. So this is an exfoliator that you can use every single day. It is that gentle on the skin that you can use it every single day. And trust me, I do. So this is a physical exfoliator, meaning that you're going to see results instantly after you use it. Right now, the Paula's Choice liquid exfoliant, the little gray bottle, is so trendy and so popular, and that is also an exfoliant, but that's actually a chemical exfoliant. So you're gonna see the results from the Paula's Choice liquid exfoliant after you've been using it for weeks, because it helps exfoliate your skin from the inside out. Since this is a physical exfoliant, this is going to hit the tops of the skin instantly. So the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant has more of a powder-like formula because this is based with rice-based powder. So it's really gentle on the skin, and it helps to brighten, and it makes your skin so incredibly soft. If you feel like you have large pores, you have texture on your skin, acne, and you just need a really deep clean to your skin, use this exfoliator, and I'm telling you, you are going to see results instantly. Your skin is gonna feel so good, and then once you apply foundation on top of your skin after you exfoliated with this, ooh, your skin is going to look the best it's ever looked. I'm telling you, I have been using this consistently since 2018, and I have not stopped. So what? That has been 5 years. I've been using this for 5 years. Oh my god. And nothing has compared to this, okay? Nothing can compare. I will always forever and forever repurchase this. This is like my #1 most repurchased item. I love it, and I don't think I've been using another product consistently for 5 years like I have this one. It's insane, but I love it so much. If you can't tell, I'm going a little crazy about it. That's how much I love it though. Now after I exfoliate my face in the shower or from the sink, I always wash my face with my cleanser after. And this is the Tatcha Rice Wash Soft Cream Cleanser. And baby, oh my god, if you've never tried this, I'm telling you, try the mini that's at Sephora. Ask for a sample or do whatever you gotta do just to try this. Because this cleanser right here is going to make your skin look so hydrated, beautiful, and it's going to feel so good after you use it. And plus, it smells just like a spa. Like I'm telling you, I feel like I'm going to get a spa treatment every single time I use this. So good, so good. But the reason why I love this so much is because of the formula. I'm telling you, it is outstanding. It's more of a thick cream, so if you have dry skin or you want something really calming and gentle and soothing on the skin, this is the cleanser for you. Before I used this consistently, I would get dry patches throughout the winter. My skin would flake, it would be red, it would burn, and now I don't get any dry patches, any flaky skin, no redness, nothing, because this adds so much hydration to the skin. And plus, if you're in the shower and you want extra hydration, apply it all over your face and then let it sit for 1 minute, and then you will see max benefits from using the cleanser that way. When I apply it to my skin and it mixes with water, it turns into this really nice cream, and that's why I love it, because it's not that sudsy water thin gel formula. It's more of a thick soothing cream, and it removes everything from your face while leaving your skin feeling so soft and supple after. Oh my god, I cannot tell you how good your skin will feel after you use it. So now I'm going to go wash my face with these 2 products, and then I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I washed my face. I got a little bit more makeup off that I missed from the first time, meaning all this makeup that was right here that I missed. How did I miss that? I have no idea. So now after I wash my face, I always tone my skin with a toner. And this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pore-Tight Toner. And I know that Glow Recipe can be a controversial skincare brand, but I'm telling you, this toner is so nice. It's like my favorite product from Glow Recipe by far. So I apply the toner to a cotton ball, and you can see that I've almost used the entire thing. It's really gentle to the skin, and it leaves your skin feeling super hydrated and glowy. And plus, it smells really good. I just run this all over my skin, avoiding the eye area, and this will get any leftover makeup that the face wash and the green clean didn't pick up. And this is what the cotton ball looks like after I apply the toner to my skin, and you can see it still picked up leftover makeup. And that's why I like to tone my skin, so it can pick up everything that the face wash and the green clean didn't get. So now I'm extra clean. Now this next part of the video is going to seem a bit crazy because they are all Sunday Riley products, okay? I'm a huge Sunday Riley stan. I love Sunday Riley when it comes to skincare. So for now, I'm going to be showing you my nighttime routine since it's going to be nighttime soon, so I might as well do my nighttime routine. But I'll tell you what I do differently during the day just so you know. So when you layer your skincare, you always want to go from the products that are thinnest to the products that are thickest. So we want to start with our liquids and then our serums and then all the way way up to our oils and moisturizers. And eye cream always goes on last. That way your eye cream will just sit on top of your eyes and it won't get disturbed by anything else that you apply to your skin. So always apply your eye cream last. Alright, so first I'm going to start with my serums, and I'm going to apply Good Genes by Sunday Riley. This is a lactic acid. It's going to hydrate your skin, plump the skin, combat any wrinkles, refine pores, and it's really just an all-in-one serum. It's going to do everything for you, and it's going to make your skin look so good. And baby, this is a very expensive serum, okay? But it really does its job. So if I were to recommend one serum out of this entire video, it's Sunday Riley Good Genes. Once you use it, you're going to be hooked, and I'm telling you that right now. This is such a good product. Oh my god. If you know, you know. So if I'm doing my skincare routine during the day, instead of using Good Genes, because it does exfoliate your skin slightly, which means that your skin will be more sensitive out in the sun and it will be more susceptible to sun damage. So since I'm not going in the sun, I applied Good Genes. But if I was going out in the sun during the day or something, I would go in with the Sunday Riley CEO Brightening Serum. This serum has the exact same consistency as Good Genes, so it's going to leave your skin feeling super hydrated and glowy. But this specific serum has vitamin C in it, so it's going to help brighten your skin and target dark spots. This has 15% of vitamin C in the serum, so you know it's going to work and it's going to brighten your skin, and your skin is just going to thank you later because it's going to look so good if you use this consistently. That's the thing with all these products that I'm talking about, you have to use them consistently. If you don't use them consistently, you're not going to see the results. So that's the key to skincare, using it consistently. So regardless of what day or time it is, I always go in with the Sunday Riley Be Nice Niacinamide Serum. This niacinamide serum is super liquidy, it's super lightweight, and niacinamide is really going to help hydrate your skin, refine your pores, it's going to help with oil control, and it's really good to just get down into those pores and hydrate them, clean them out, make them smaller. So if you have oily skin, I definitely recommend you try Sunday Riley Be Nice. It is so nice and it's so good. It feels so nice on the skin, and I feel like it really helps clean out my pores. I had a breakout here the other day, and then I started doing my skincare, and it has literally shrunk, and basically it's gone now from doing my skincare routine for about 2 days. My coworker at Sephora literally purchases this Be Nice serum all the time. She loves and swears by this stuff, and she's got really oily skin. So if you've got really oily skin, I think that you'll really like this serum as well. Alright, we are almost done. If you're curious about any of these products that I've mentioned in this video so far, I've linked them all down in the description box for you just in case you want to go ahead and check any of them out. So it's all right down in the description box for you just in case you want to go ahead and check any of them out. They're all right down in the description box for you. So after I apply my serums, I always top it off with a moisturizer. And my nighttime moisturizer is my favorite moisturizer in the entire world, okay? I am a true stan for this moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. It is like a God-sent item, okay? This is Sunday Riley Ice. This is the thickest, most beautiful moisturizer that I've ever tried. It smells so good. I think that the smell in here, they mentioned that it's like almond and cherry, so kind of like Jergens, but a little bit different from Jergens. If you know, you know. If you know, I love Jergens. I love me some Jergens too. I use that on my legs and my arms all the time. I love me some Jergens. And the best part about this moisturizer is that it leaves your skin glowing. It blends right in and it feels so soft and creamy, and I just really love it. I feel like it leaves my skin hydrated for hours. It does not get dry after a few hours after I apply this. Like, it stays hydrated all day long. Or I should say all night long, because I use this at night. But I feel like at this point my skin craves this moisturizer. Once I apply it, it just feels so good, and I'm like, back to my normal self now, because it just makes my skin feel so amazing. But if I'm doing my skincare routine during the day or wearing makeup, I'm not going to be using ice. I'm going to be using the Sunday Riley CEO Afterglow Moisturizer. Now this formula is just a bit thinner than the ice formula, which is why I use it during the day and under makeup, because ice could be a bit too thick for makeup, but but the CEO Afterglow is just right. It has the most perfect medium consistency. It's not too thin, but it's also not too thick. And as a dry skin queen, I definitely need more of a medium consistency to wear underneath makeup. Oh my god, it smells so good. But I'm telling you, the first time I smelled this, I didn't like it, and I was like, oh my god, that's such a strong, overpowering scent. But the more I've used this during the day, the more I have fallen in love with this scent. It just actually smells so nostalgic and good to me that I love it. I can't describe whatever the heck this scent is. It's very unique and specific, but it smells very good, just like spa, and very fresh. If you're looking for a moisturizer to wear underneath makeup that's really going to make your skin look so smooth and hydrated and just really even out all the texture on your skin, this one is it. I feel so hydrated and glowy, and plus there's also vitamin C in that moisturizer, so it's going to brighten your skin the more you use it over time. So you really can't go wrong with the moisturizer. They're all so beautiful and just great quality. I'm obsessed. And then of course I have to go in with the Sunday Riley Autocorrect Eye Cream, and this eye cream has caffeine in it, so it helps to depuff and brighten as well over time. And I just apply this just to my eyes, and that is it. It's also very hydrating and smooth, which is why I love this eye cream. And I've actually repurchased it multiple times at this point as well. Honestly, all these products that I've mentioned in today's video, I've repurchased multiple times. That's how much I love all of them. Alright, eye cream is on, and now we have one more product. This is Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Oil. This is an oil that actually has retinol in it, and retinol is an ingredient that really helps to plump your skin and alleviate any wrinkles and fine lines. And oils should always be applied last to the skin because they are super thick. So I always apply my Luna oil last, and it just leaves my skin feeling so hydrated, glowy, and beautiful. I really wish that the camera was picking up how glowy my skin is in person, but unfortunately it's not, so you're just gonna have to deal with how it looks on the camera, and it looks so good still. Oh my goodness, and I almost forgot lip balm. I always do lip balm at the end of my skincare routine. It is an essential step. If I forget it, then it won't be my skincare routine, you know? This is just the Jouer Lip Enhancer Lip Balm, which is outstanding by the way, and it kind of smells and tastes like roses, and it's such a slept-on lip balm. This stuff is so good. It's like the Summer Fridays, but just a little bit thicker and creamier. It's some really good stuff. This is exactly how I take off my makeup and do my skincare routine every single day. These products are my tried and true. I love so much. They will forever hold a very special place at the bottom of my heart. And frankly, I don't think any product could ever replace these ones that I mentioned in this video today. I need to make a video like this next year so I can compare and see if anything has changed, but truly I don't think anything will. If you've tried any of these products that I've mentioned in today's video, please leave me a comment down below letting me know which ones you have tried, because I would love to know if you have and what you think about them, because like I said, these are my favorites. So if you hate them, I need to know why you hate them, or if you love them, I need to know as well. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for being here and hanging out with me today. I had so much fun showing you how I take off my makeup and what my skincare routine is. And I will be back next week with a brand new video, so you can go ahead and binge watch the rest of my videos on my channel so you don't miss me too much until then. And if you enjoyed today's video, you should definitely give it a big thumbs up, because it really helps support me and the channel a lot, and then that way I know that you like my videos, and then I can create more just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. See you on the next one. Bye!